They told us Pakistan is dangerous, but they never told us Pakistan is this beautiful.
Wake up to the reality. Number 1. Hunza Valley. Number 2. Skardu. Number 3. Lahore, City of History. Number 4. Islamabad, City of Calm and Peace. Number 5. Fairy Meadows, standing in front of Nanga Parbat. Number 6. Mohenjo-daro. Number 7. Gwadar and Kund Malir, coastal road, ocean waves. Number 8. Swat Valley, river and green valley. Number 9. Neelam Valley, Arankel Waterfalls. Number 10. Cholistan Desert, Dorawar Fort, Desert Sunset.
Pakistan is not just a country, it's mountains, history, culture, and unmatched beauty. If you haven't visited Pakistan yet, you're missing the real wonder of the world.